The hidden power of castor oil and baking soda. Castor oil has a unique ability that sets it apart from nearly every other oil. It penetrates deeper into the tissues than almost anything else. And wherever castor oil reaches, it begins to soften, dissolve, and break apart buildup, whether that's congestion, adhesions, hardened tissue, or long-standing inflammation. It can even help break down bone spurs. If a bone spur has been present for 3 years, it may take around 3 months to soften and reduce. If it's been there 3 months, it could take roughly 3 weeks. And if it's only been there a few weeks, sometimes just a few days can make a noticeable difference. The key factor is time. How long the issue has existed determines how long the body needs to respond. Today, we're going to uncover something truly impressive, a simple, natural solution that may help with more than 19 different health concerns. Yes, over 19. And the most surprising part? It uses just 2 basic ingredients that you probably already have at home: castor oil and baking soda. At first glance, it almost seems too simple. How could 2 everyday items be this powerful? But after spending years studying natural wellness and traditional remedies, I continue to be amazed by how often nature provides effective solutions in the simplest forms. Castor oil and baking soda are a perfect example. Separately, they've been used for generations. Together, they form a combination that may support everything from joint discomfort and skin concerns to long-standing issues people have dealt with for years. In this video, we're going to explore exactly why this blend works, how to use it safely, and, just as important, when you should not use it. If you've been struggling with a persistent issue and feel like nothing has worked, this simple, natural approach might be exactly what you've been looking for. As a thank you for being here, we're giving away 100 free copies of my best-selling book to subscribers, so make sure you subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment explaining why you'd like to win. Now, let's dive in. The benefits of castor oil and baking soda. When it comes to natural remedies, very few combinations are as flexible and effective as castor oil and baking soda. Castor oil has been prized for centuries for its high concentration of ricinoleic acid, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. It deeply nourishes tissues and supports natural healing processes throughout the body. Baking soda, on the other hand, may seem ordinary, but it carries impressive benefits of its own. Its alkaline nature helps neutralize excess acidity and calm inflammation, something especially important today since many modern health issues are driven by chronic inflammation. When these two are combined, they create a synergistic blend that can support skin repair, soothe joints and muscles, improve circulation, and much more. Let's break down the specific ways this combination can help. Supporting skin health and healing. One of the most noticeable benefits of castor oil is its effect on the skin. It's deeply hydrating, packed with fatty acids that improve elasticity and strengthen the skin's natural barrier. This makes it ideal for dry skin, stretch marks, and minor wounds. Castor oil also stimulates collagen production, something most oils cannot do effectively. Collagen is what keeps skin firm, smooth, and resilient. Supporting collagen naturally can help reduce the appearance of scars and improve texture over time, especially as skin ages. When baking soda is added, it provides mild exfoliation. It gently removes dead skin cells, allowing healthier skin underneath to emerge more quickly. Together, these ingredients speed up renewal while protecting the skin. Another important benefit is that both ingredients have natural antimicrobial properties. This helps keep small cuts and irritated areas clean while encouraging faster healing. How to use. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda until it forms a paste. Apply it to the area you want to treat: dry skin, scars, or small wounds. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, then rinse gently with warm water. Used daily, results tend to build gradually, improving tone, texture, and overall skin health. Natural relief for joint and muscle pain. When joint or muscle discomfort strikes, many people reach immediately for pain relievers. But nature offers effective alternatives. Castor oil's ricinoleic acid helps calm inflammation and reduce swelling, allowing tissues to relax and recover. Baking soda enhances this effect by supporting circulation, helping the oil penetrate more deeply into stiff joints and sore muscles. This makes the blend especially helpful for arthritis, chronic joint stiffness, or post-exercise soreness. How to use: mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda into a smooth paste. Massage it gently into the affected area, then cover with a warm cloth for about 30 minutes. The warmth improves absorption and enhances comfort, easing tension while supporting natural healing. Boosting circulation and lymphatic drainage. One lesser-known benefit of this combination is its effect on circulation and lymphatic flow. Healthy circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients to cells while removing waste. A sluggish lymphatic system can lead to swelling, fatigue, and discomfort. Massaging castor oil and baking soda into areas near lymph nodes, such as underarms or the groin, can stimulate lymphatic movement and support detoxification. How to use: apply the mixture using gentle circular motions over lymph-rich areas for several minutes daily. Over time, this may reduce swelling and help you feel lighter and more energized. Easing digestive discomfort and bloating. Digestive issues become more common with age. Castor oil has long been used to support bowel movement and intestinal activity, while baking soda helps neutralize excess stomach acid and reduce bloating. Together, they offer balanced digestive support, stimulating movement while calming irritation. How to use: for topical use, massage the mixture onto the abdomen and cover with a warm cloth for 30 minutes. Stern warning: internal use of castor oil should only be done after consulting a healthcare professional. Addressing fungal infections. Castor oil penetrates fungal structures, while baking soda creates an environment where fungi struggle to survive. This makes the combination effective for issues like athlete's foot and nail fungus. How to use: apply equal parts castor oil and baking soda to the affected area. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse. Determined: repeat twice daily until improvement is seen. The lightning round: 19+ uses. Supporting detox and lymph health. Castor oil activates lymphatic movement while baking soda supports pH balance. Applied regularly, this blend may assist the body's natural detox pathways. Massage onto the neck, underarms, or groin for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Soothing bites, rashes, and irritation. Castor oil calms inflammation and hydrates, while baking soda neutralizes irritants. Applied to bites or rashes, this blend can reduce itching and redness quickly. Improving scars, stretch marks, and discoloration. Castor oil promotes collagen and deep hydration. Baking soda exfoliates and encourages new skin cell growth over time. Apply daily and massage gently for best results. Supporting acne-prone and oily skin. Castor oil helps regulate oil production and fight acne-causing bacteria. Baking soda exfoliates and unclogs pores. Used correctly, this blend supports clearer, balanced skin. Applied 2 to 3 times weekly. Hair and scalp health. Castor oil nourishes follicles and supports thicker hair growth. Baking soda exfoliates the scalp, removing buildup and dandruff. Massage into the scalp weekly, leave for 20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Gentle arthritis and joint support. Castor oil lubricates joints naturally, while baking soda supports circulation. Used before bed, this blend can reduce stiffness overnight. Massage equal parts into joints, cover with warmth, and rest. Hand, foot, and nail care. This mixture softens rough skin, exfoliates calluses, strengthens nails, and conditions cuticles. Use several times weekly for noticeable improvement. Eye, wrinkle, and sunburn support. Applied carefully and in small amounts, this blend can reduce puffiness, soften fine lines, and soothe sunburn irritation. Sinus and oral support. Warm application around sinuses may ease congestion. Used sparingly on gums, the blend may support oral hygiene. Cracked lips. Castor oil moisturizes while baking soda gently exfoliates, restoring softness quickly. When to avoid use. When to avoid use. Patch test first. Avoid broken skin, overuse, and eye contact. Consult a healthcare provider if pregnant, breastfeeding, or sensitive. Final tip: always use pure, cold-pressed castor oil. I am Dr. Drops, and I believe that small, consistent, natural steps lead to a massive transformation in your health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your 30-day challenge results in the comments. Consistency creates transformation. See you in the next video.